All right, guys, we bought this unit for $350, including tax. I did some research on the owner, and it was a cell phone store that went out of business. So let's see what we got. We got some cases, which is the reason why I bought the unit. All right, we got some screen assemblies. I have no idea what these are worth at all. Hopefully something. We have more screen assemblies. Interesting. The Logitech wireless speaker. This is going to be an interesting unit. Kate Spade. That's pretty cool. Gear VR. In the box. More screens. More screens. Another speaker. It's very heavy, so I'm assuming it's in there, but it is not sealed. All right. It is in there. Screen protectors. Awesome. This stuff is very resellable. More screen protectors. More screen protectors. Got a lot more. The problem with these is they are so mass produced. I'd probably have to sell each one of these things for $1 or $2. We got headsets. Opened. They don't look used though. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to offload all these to somebody. This is gonna be like a wholesale type of deal. Hopefully I can sell them. Because like I said, these are so overly produced. I mean, look at this. Wow. AirPods sealed. That's awesome. Let's hope we find more stuff like that. There's a lot. A lot of crap in here. This is gonna take me forever to go through. But it's not a bad thing. I'd rather there be a lot of stuff than not a lot of stuff. Got some watch cases. Got very cheap phone cases. Got an iPad. Wow. That might actually work. We'll see. Hey, we got a safe. Something in it. Of course, I brought 0 tools with me, so I can't open this thing right now. I'm gonna have to bring it home. It might just be the shelf rattling around. So this is all just random parts for repair. I doubt any of this has a resale value, but I have to check, and I could sell the actual cases. They're very, very nice cases. Double vacuum. Oh man, more. That's what I need, more phone cases. So many cases. Dymo Electrotag. It's also something I need to check out.
And more cases, but at least these are outer boxes. Well, one outer box. Nope, two outer box. And I do see 2 tables back there, which is fantastic because I was going to buy more tables because I need them for the flea market. What is this? CPB. I have no idea. I know that this is for when you're taking apart your stuff. You put your screws in all the different compartments. Posh Mobile. I don't know. Is that like a fake iPhone? Interesting. Now we have AirPod cases. Unfortunately, they're all for the first generation. So these probably can't be sold. I'm pretty sure all these cases I'm going to sell at auction. Every one of them. I'm just going to bulk it all together. It's all going to auction. I do not have time to be selling all these. I don't know where to put these. MacBook that is opened. These are probably all broken. Got another one. Yeah, this is all broken stuff. Another one of these micro appliance things, which I don't know what it is.